Hello everyone. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to publish a Roblox game. First, open Roblox Studio on your computer. When it loads, either create a new game or open the one you already built. You should make sure that your game is saved before you publish it. To save, go to the File menu in the top left corner and click Save to Roblox. If this is the first time you are saving, Roblox Studio will ask you to set up details like the game name, description, genre, and supported devices. After filling that in, click Create or Save. Now once you have saved, return to the editor window in Roblox Studio. At the top left, click on the File menu again, and this time select Publish to Roblox. This step is important because saving does not make the game public yet. Publishing is what uploads your game to the Roblox servers so others can access it. Roblox Studio will now upload your game. When the process is finished, you can go to the Roblox website or app. Click on the profile icon in the top right, then click on View Full Profile here, click on Creations, and you will find your created app here. That is how you publish a Roblox game. Thanks for watching.